Okay, looks like we are live. Yep, that's the bot. We are so live. Get up the leaderboards. Basically, everybody quit, but we're still here. So, there we go for day 15. Now, if I remember correctly, there's not a big deal about moving horizontally, but there's a big deal about moving vertically. Now, for that purpose, what I believe that I should be doing is I should have two different BFS based on how rather than two BFS it would be I would need two different kinds of get neighbors. And it should be get line neighbor and get vertical neighbor, and based on those I should use the method maybe based on what I should be searching. So check walls is very nice. It will simply check if any of the elements that I have found is in the walls. That's great. And this thing is not actually, let's maybe have the bad idea of never actually committing the code. So let's commit it up. So parts to progress. God damn it. Progress. Very well. So then this would be my, at least I have some sort of parts. So now I then would need to have because the most problematic one is definitely the lateral BFS, or rather the vertical BFS. There's also the fact that there's a difference between vertical and horizontal, so I should have three versions, just like over here. So we can remove it very simply. Then we start with clearing up all of this. Same goes here, and same go here. And boxes, or the BFS should take in map, potential, and this should be an enum technically. But an enum sounds very annoying over here. I'm just gonna pass the next move. Or some sort of string. I know that the Rust way is, oh okay, let's make an enum. Oh, we have already the direction. Nice. Direction left, right doesn't even actually change. It does matter. At this point, I can match them. Do I match them over here? Wait, I already know which direction I'm going. So wait a second, do I pass the deer and based on the deer I choose which one I return? Yeah, that sounds a little nicer. Okay, I forgot about everything beforehand. It would be simply deer. Yes, I know. Go to definition. This would be deer direction. Fish box. The fuck? Okay. Then afterwards we should make the get neighbors take the direction as well, so that my neighbors can depend on the direction. Or rather, I should have 4 kinds of directional approaches based on the neighbors. That is possibly the best idea. So I can switch case let's say the neighbors are gonna be like we will initialize it as a vec, which shouldn't be needed because we still match. Then we match direction, and we let the arms construct everything. Then we're going to, okay, this is actually already finished, so there's not big deal. And if we go up, then I can say like get up neighbors, which will naturally, rather something like this. Get up neighbors would, of course Rust won't allow me to keep those, but get up neighbors would be neighbors equals get up neighbors, and get up neighbors would take the same, going to be the same signature. So what was in the neighbors? Map and core. Okay. Map and core. Get down neighbors, down. Left. Oh my god. And right. Okay. Now we will gen all of this. Very well, then this would simply copy this in all of them. Now I just have first off I have to correct this core. By the way, this feels like a macro, so when I'm getting done, I wish that this becomes a macro. Like it feels like it should be a macro. Or maybe not, because I don't have quite different inputs. So as a core into node. Bam. Okay, very well. I don't need this anymore. And let's then correct. Let's then correct above. Yes, yes. It would be, I only need to check when I'm going right, I only need to check everything on the right. So I would always push the right one, which would be x plus 1. So this is the only one that has to be checked. Very well. Now get left neighbors, I only check on the left, so this is the -1. This is a very straightforward way. Now for the up and down, I do check only upwards, but I would need 2 nodes because I need based on that direction, I should check. So before I checking upwards, I should be checking twice. Not minus coordinate. Minus. Plus coordinate. The fuck? Oh well, it wouldn't really change minus or plus in the context over there. But I have to twice check. Okay, we were going down, so it's a -1, 0. Right, so this is the coordinate. But actually, I need to check also the sides. Basically, if I have based on my, so we will go down, but based on my character, I should also check upwards based on what I have at the moment. So let's remove this because it's a lot of clutter. We would need to check. We're checking upwards of the node, but we will also check if map the node at 0 as you size, you know, and the node as 1 as you size is open bracket then we go back 1. Oh, by the way, this is, yes, then we go left. Else we go right. So we also put that over there. So we would potential neighbor dot push, and it would be, in this case, it will be the node plus my coordinate of -1 because we're going up, but +1 because we're going right. But in this case, it would be -1 because we're going up. But at the same time, -1 because the one previous. Now this works the same way for this coordinate. However, well, let's keep consistent. The -1 becomes +1. Naturally, because at the end of the day, we are going downwards. All of that being said, now my Q will always return. So my boxes, there it is. Doesn't even care anymore. I can just type it out. His type would be back of fish boxes. Okay. So now I would always get only those pertinent to me, and I shouldn't be needed to change anything. So let's put the input over here and let's run release. Okay, so the vertical one works, not a shock. Now, to be fair, they did move as a unit. So the movement did work. Kind of. Okay, so it appears that the vertical one isn't maybe... It's a 4-7, 3-7, 466. So 4-7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3. But this discovered only some of those and not everyone. Oh well, because it didn't push it. That's correct. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. I should be pushing it over here. So potential neighbor push, potential neighbor push. The neighbors are the one for nay in neighbors. Yeah, I'm missing some. Like in this case, I should be discovering everything. I kind of covers. Do I at least get? Yes, I get the bottom ones. No, wait, I actually do get all of them. I just don't move them correctly because I did move everything except for these two guys. Yeah, which would be make sense actually. It's 4-6 this, 4-7-3-7 this. Yeah, I missed two, but I moved everything else correctly. So this condition needs some work while we're going up. Well, because my idea would be that we are going... Well, besides me missing it up, but it honestly doesn't change anything. Well, actually change something, so let's fix this up. Because when we're going down, it's a plus. In the similar fashion, this will become... Okay, this becomes a -1. Did I get correctly in the right way? We add 1. On the left, we subtract 1. Yes. Okay. Now, I don't expect this to change anything, really. So this move does its job, and we get all 4 of them. Again, not a shock. This one is very close to what it has to be, because I do get the 4-7. So the 3-6 and the 4-6, this would be this corner. And 4637. Okay, this looks almost there. So let's move on our upwards trajectory. Meaning that I check if I'm currently at a left bracket. Wait, I don't go anywhere actually. No, okay. I go downwards. Okay, I believe that this is the problem. Wouldn't it? Or rather, this is the problem. Let's see it like that. Only 4 and 6. But I should be getting the neighbors, right? And yeah, well, every time that I bring it up, I should be checking both ways. Yeah, that sounds correct. But this one doesn't hit everything. So somehow I hit completely this guy, but I don't hit completely this guy. I do hit some of it. Like I actually no, this was here beforehand. So I only hit 3 of those, which is bizarre. Like the logic, let's break the board. The logic is kinda so. At least it looks solid because still have to fix my conch. I don't know why I don't fix my conch. I'm gonna fix it today. Should take like very little time. Okay. Logic should be sound, right? Because let's say that I hit like this is my case, right? So I am here. I need to explore this guy. Therefore, this would be -1, 0. And if I want to hit also this guy, this would be -1, 1. Because I'm moving, right? And we push both of those. We actually have to push also the... Do I have to push the current one? Don't look like it. Why? Do we do some magic over here? No, so this gets worked out in this guy. So Q dot push the start. And we push our fish box 1. Then we sign it up as gutted. Based on the direction we get the neighbors. If map q dot push nay q fish push okay, and we sign it down. Yeah, I need to push the one upwards, but I need to push also the one on the right or on the left. So my guess would be that here, the way that I see it, that here I do push. Hello, Blaze Speeds. Oh my god, 19 people. Thank you for the raid. Man, oh man. Happy brought friends. Well, thanks, Linux. Welcome back. As usual, my tablet sucks both. Oh my god, how many people? How have you been? It's been a bit. Yeah, it was a while. I went on vacation. Went for in Tuscany. Lovely vacation. Hello, everyone. Damn, you guys are lively. Love it. Been on Tuscany. Had fun. Drank lots of wine. And basically got back yesterday. So stuck on day 15. Great. How is everyone going? And Blaze, thanks very much for the raid. Very much appreciated. Actually, you might boost me to be not the partner one, but the affiliate, because I'm like so close, very close over there. That's my chat. Yep, he has a YouTube for his VODs. Yeah, so far I have the VODs one. I did had one video about my first project, but it's very like not. Yes, I do that. I had only one video. I tried to finish a project to get more, but it didn't. Just simply didn't work. Well, it didn't work. Simply, I was very shy of the camera in the first days, so that didn't help at all. And lots more you do, but the trade time off is really hard, so just stick to the streams. Yeah. It's like I don't know where to put it, because let's say you stream, like I stream in the morning, so I wake up, basically roll to streams, and then that would be my day job, and I go to the gym on the nights. So that's really it. Unless you start to, I don't know, to find some more time, sleep less, you just not gonna do it. I don't quite, and also doesn't feel the same way, because YouTube is a very solitary experience. So instead of feeling like you're in a great community like Twitch, you often, well, thank you for the follow, Bottleneck. It's really late here, just on midnight. It's very early here. It's 7 in the morning, Italy time, so it's a bit of Rome time. Thank you, Blaze, for the follow. Let me get it back. If I can ever follow, ever rage you back, it would be lovely. What are we doing, guys, over there? Yeah, great person to rage to Blaze. Ciao. So YouTube, I'm trying little by little. I enjoy more blogging. No, blogging, it feels better because YouTube, I guess the camera was a big problem, and YouTube gets a lot of reworks. While writing, it feels a little bit nice. Gets my ideas out, been very nice. Should be actually printing out here because I don't remember even the, what is blog.mrdima98. We're doing AI GTF challenge, trying to trick the AI into telling us a secret. Drop the URL. I will. Oh, there he goes. So this would be the blog, which I should put in descriptions. And the first one, the challenge with the terrible video. Well, that's so cool. AI GTF challenge. GTF. Tricking it. Capture the flag. Ooh, that's great. So you're hacking. Lovely. Always wanted to learn hacking, as basically everyone. Even more so when I started to be a programmer. Oh, Gandalf Lakera AI intro. Let me tap that. And this is the sad channel with only one viewership with my terrible video. Like I said, didn't work that well. That's the challenge we were doing. Gandalf Laker. Damn, this is sweet. Welcome to Gandalf. Test your prompt skill injection. Ooh. I should be doing some injection skills. However, one is Crucible, Dead Note. So you're basically gonna do like you are a white hacker. You mostly do this kind of challenge. Your AI hacking playground place, learn and exploit vulnerability in AI ML systems. Well, that's great because even more so one that new people actually spam a lot of AI into the code, so you get a lot of vulnerabilities. And little by little, the more I get, I'm a junior, so the more. Yeah, I've been a cybersecurity for 6 years. That's great. How are you feeling so far? Because I was thinking about a master in hacking. There's a master at Bologna, but I feared that it would be a lot of. I don't know. It was described by my friend once, like you compile big documents and basically you're gonna be these sweep scans, compile big documents, and then get back to the companies. Is it like that, or it's a little bit more full scope, or it's your skull? Oh yes, yeah, sounds about right. Feels less freeing than programming. In my master's in cybersecurity is more administrative sides of the house. Okay, I don't know. I tried to do a master in computer science, but man, getting back on the paper felt very bad. Like every time getting back on the paper, when I was studying compilers, that was amazing. I actually did end up finishing the compiler on my own, but but then getting to the exercises, it felt so tedious, so useless. So I honestly gave up on all of the joy that was programming in that problem, in that specific problem. So yeah, I just quit and I just thought to myself, whatever, I can learn on my own. Why should I get more expensive piece of paper when this is not getting the job? Yeah, that's also bad. Same but for math. I graduated 10 years ago, so I'd have to relearn a lot of masters in math. Oh yeah, that's so long ago. You won't have the same drive to go. I graduated was this 24, so just last year. So it was a little bit fresh, and I tried for 6 months. But then I said, then I thought to myself, I would wish to use all of my free time, half of it or a little bit more for programming, so I can get some hard skills in, and everything else should be went on my comic book, trying to learn how to write, trying to learn how to draw. So that used to be, so that's basically how I felt like. At least the time that I'm following it feels great to me, and everything quest walls. Bonus points for T-Max. Thank you, man. Yeah, my setup is basically the what do you call the uh, Primagen fanboy. Actually, he is the one that inspired me a lot to Twitch and to program outside of work. And this just feels natural. This just feels correct. Doesn't improve my programming skills too much, but I feel at home at terminal. Oh yeah, he's a crazy smart guy. This dude is insane. I just love everything about him. His motivation, his setup. Try to copy everything that's lovely on him. Like the extension that he made to jump from file to file. Like this is amazing. It gets you a new terminal in the correct place with the Tmax session, and you have everything over here. Oh, that just feels great. Yeah, try to follow him and every cool guy over here. You might know T.S. Sodding. He's like the sea god, and well, he's a lot of opinionated, but Prime is a prime example of a prime programmer. Yes, precisely. He always downplays how good he is at programming. He also would be like, "Yeah, I'm just good," and the dude just starts to do the most insane thing in your face and be like, "Yeah, this works. I'll do some simulation testing." Theo EGG is also great. I like what Theo does. I don't like his opinion. I don't look at his channel. I think he's a great software developer, but I don't like his how you say his personality as he doesn't. I don't feel great watching his videos. So his persona as an influencer don't like. But I believe he made Ping.gg, which is amazing as an idea. Yeah, I think this is his. It's a collaborative streaming, so he basically would redirect the camera so that you can get good quality everywhere, which Prime actually uses a lot. So amazing developer, don't like his opinions. I was trying lately to watch more of his videos just because I feel like I always watch stuff that I will be videos that I agree with. So it's great to actually watch someone that you don't quite agree. But see, dude, I should try. I should try. I don't always ring your same the things that you love in your ears. Wouldn't take too much good. In the meantime, I'm fighting for life. I don't know if you guys tried the Advent this year. So I'm stuck at day 50. Well, stuck. It's been 2 days, so day 15. And right now I'm trying to move these boxes upwards, but my custom BFS is not hitting everything. So I'm hitting the bottom box, I'm hitting the left box, but I'm not hitting the right one for some reason. Which is kind of bizarre. So pushing this one didn't help at all. Actually, this will cause a lot of duplicates. Doesn't look like it, but it should cause a lot of duplicates. My lord. It is stuck. Oh yeah, well, Twitch. I started Twitch just because I said every morning I wake up and I program before work. And I think to myself, I could keep programming on my own, but I should just stream it because at the end of the day, it's not like if nobody cares, I'm still programming. If somebody cares, I might actually even have someone that will maybe take a look, give a hand. Somebody cares, maybe somebody notices. I've said also my English was trash. The first days I was so cold when speaking English. It was so hard. Because I understand it very well. I don't have a trouble to read documents. I don't have trouble to watch TV series, but speaking it is a different kind of sort of skill. And little by little, it didn't, and it's paying off a lot for my ability to speak it. So you see, left and right it works clearly well, but should be working on my upwards. Basically, if my current position as node. Yes, since I last saw you, have input. Thank you very much. It feels great because after say that the first 2 weeks were the hardest one. Now little by little it gets out. Still, I need some time to process some words, but I feel that a little better. My vocabulary is getting out, and that should be great. Should just take the C1 exam because I wish to work for the for outside of Italy, like work at least from here with some I don't know German company, Sweden company, the what was it, the Netherlands companies, because in Italy programmers aren't really appreciated. We're basically just slightly treated better. Work with people who actually treats them amazingly better. Also because I need a lot of money, always. Now, how do I print this out? I would want to see if I ever. I feel like first off, this doesn't make any difference, but in the how about a pretty print every time the map so I get a clue of how it's going here. Pretty print my map. And it should give me a clue how to get exposed. Okay, what are your thoughts of the bastardization of pizza in America? I'm not very uh, I'm not too concerned about pizza. I think that this is one of those this should be one of those plates that it's pretty much universal. Everyone got into pizza. Everyone has its different moments. So, okay, the only extreme thing that I have is if you haven't tried you probably haven't tried actual pizza, because even in Italy, there's a big difference from eating from place to place. So the amazing experience of taking pizza in Napoli, that is for everyone. If you never ate pizza in Napoli, that should be done. Besides that, I'm not really strong because I think that this is like a sandwich. You can do a sandwich any way that you see fit. Same goes for the pizza. Pineapple, sure. You have to make the dough be sweeter, so then it would work. Obviously, you have to think it out because it's not that simple for the way it has to be construed. I have a lot of opinions on how people. Actually, I did get into a fight on Reddit with a guy who basically. I said, dude, you can just put everything you want in a carbonara. Carbonara is this one, probably. And say, yeah, you can just put everything in a carbonara and call it a carbonara. Man, a carbonara is a very specific plate. It has like 4 ingredients, so please. The simple ones that are actually very effective because they're very few ingredients, you can just put anything in there and say, well, this is a carbonara. And the man was like, dude, I can just put garlic in carbonara and not call it carbonara anymore. Man, you put garlic in here, you kill everything. Because that's the thing about the Italian pizza. They're very simple, usually. And you put something outside and you will feel bad. Is that so? Yeah, I feel that's bad. Also, lasagna, man. Even in Italy, you don't. I said to everyone, if you come in Italy, you don't touch a lasagna if you're not a Modena Bologna, or at very least in Emilia Romagna, because you would eat a terrible lasagna. You would be like, oh, the lasagna sucks. No, it doesn't. It just was very unlucky where you got it. Anyway, check out specific plates for specific region. And if you want to do it at home, absolutely just try to. Gianna Zafferano is a good place where to look. But it's in Italian, so won't work nice. Yeah, I'm not super strong. Me and my mom, even though we're from Moldavia, we actually got very used to making Italian because food is lovely. So looks like I explored the first one, then explored this one, but this one doesn't get pushed. Which is bizarre because I would like to check out what is it getting pushed like over here, right? These specific coordinates. I'm using Ney. So let's print out the I would say let's print out the coordinates. So oh wait, this is a plus, by the way. And now everything is scattered all over the world. So this would be got them, exploded. Fucking I'll tell you this now. With the speed of you say it and my familiar with location there, that sound like gibberish when you ever say food in and then city. Okay, fair enough. Also because then Italian names should sound very weird. So that would be. I actually want to check out how you say Emilia Romagna. So this is the region where I live. It's pronounced Emilia Romagna. And I don't believe there's an American name for it. Is there? No, you won't say it anyway. I believe the only one that I'm aware that has an English name is Bologna. Which would be like Bologna. Don't quite know. So this is where I am, and this is where you eat carbonara, where you eat lasagna. Specifically, like the meat, lasagna, like the. It would be. I don't quite know. It's technically a pasta dish because you can see it like a sandwich with a lot of layers. So there would be. The closest thing is a sandwich, but it's essentially a pasta made in the oven. This tastes amazing, man. If you never tried, it doesn't look good. I will tell you that. First time I was in Italy, someone put this on my plate, and Bologna sauce. Yes, the ragu that would be. Oh, Bologna sausage. This is the... Damn, this looks terrible. The one you're looking for is mortadella. Mortadella. This is the one you were looking for. Very fat. This is very typical of Bologna. Extremely fat. Tastes amazing. And it's actually one of the least expensive. There's a lot of... there's a big culture of... what would you say? It's sausages? It's not sausages, but... okay, so there's the word salami. Interesting. There's a big culture of salami over here. So there's a lot of great... a lot of great ones. Yeah, man. The amount of... also because every single... I have some in my fridge. Tastes amazing. Every single region has one. Hello, great stream, Rust and Italian food. Yes, today we're talking about lots of food. Actually, will prolong my Rust experience because I think that I want to try Leptos, and I would love to manipulate DOM with Leptos and try to make a site with everything I've done on the Advent, because it's lovely and I always enjoy making my website with what I did. Monkey. So this was my first project, from the one from the blog. This is a small it's a small language which I followed a book in Golang. This was amazing, and I wish to add the app every time I do something on the projects. The second one, what was it? I don't even remember. Damn. Actually worked a lot of that. Oh yeah, the cooking one. This one doesn't work again. This is the one that I put outside because because I thought, well, there's Advent of Code. Everything goes mute. So Rust being great, I'm continuing that. So now I'm moving only 3 of those, which means this is good, by the way. I'm sorry, boss. The Pyros are calling my name, and lady is promising me a deep sleep. And lady's sleep is promising me. Well, thank you for hanging out with your friends. So I will see you around, man. Always a pleasure having you around. Good night. Now this would look like that. This should solve the problem of not pushing the... okay. We're 90% here. Good. So how is the exploration going? Push that down. Okay, we touch the first... this is the first one we see. Then we get the second one. The third one. So the one that doesn't get pushed is this, which is bizarre. I didn't follow the Advent this year. What's this objective? This year we're saving a historian. Something about... so that would be 2024. Well, first off, the drawing is the 10 years anniversary. Sweet. And the chief historian is always present. So the chief historian got lost and we have to find it. And we mostly do side quests. Like the one I'm doing now, it's actually kind of fun. The example is these O's are robots, and every robot is gone mad. So we have to find a trajectory so that we can safely disable them. And this is the trajectory, basically up, down, left, right. On the second part, now the boxes can be pushed. So this will be a box. Sorry, O's are boxes, and this is the one that pushed them. This is the robot that pushed them. On the second part, there are 2 space boxes. We double up everything. And this is the bitch, because I can make it work laterally quite easily. It isn't like a big deal to move it laterally. But it doesn't move that well on vertical, because it's very hard to explore it in the correct way. I try to do raw dog BFS, but then BFS won't work, because say you push this box should go up on its own. But if you push this box over here, you have to push the whole block. Lots of 2D simulation this year. Actually, the subreddit was crying a lot about this 2D simulations. Everyone was like, hey man, can we get something else that's not 2D simulation? So I don't know what was the last year's. It is tedious, but I always try to be kind to the poor dude who actually puts time and work into this. I understand that's a lot of time, that's a lot of work, and it feels bad to me to say, to complain about something. Oh, this works, so that's nice. At least it stops over here. So I feel bad for Eric because it's a lot of time and he doesn't get compensated for it. I think people should be a little bit more understanding of him. Like even making Twitch, every small task that feels the rules are weirder than the actual game. Yeah, man, the three one. This is the one that get a lot of controversies. I don't remember which day was 14 where you have to draw a tree, and I got fucked a lot because the guy basically told most of the robots will form a Christmas tree. So I did a BFS algorithm to check when the most of robots touch, which means they're drawing something. That's a tree. It was less than 50%. I got a lot pissed, but yeah, the wording is the hard part. The drawing, the programming, usually it's like a lot of very small errors, very annoying ones. So why am I not hitting, like, what's the 4-7? The 8 one I'm hitting. Because I believe that it is correct to put it in here. I should push the... No, I'm pushing the original one. Actually, maybe this push should also... Perhaps, rather than pushing it over here... No, but it wasn't that one that's missing. So we would get... This one should be... the first one that we hit. So we queue that push, and we map that one. Like I was thinking about pushing this one and its friend over here, but won't make a difference. Will it now? I'm so close. I just missed one. Like when I get to this position, in this specific case, I would expect them both to be in the array. Q.push name, fishbox push, map. God damn it. Yes, because based on everything that they can touch, you push either the left one or that one. And all of this 2D stuff only gets so scuffed very quickly. Don't quite understand why, like the one way that I should be trying to print, I think I should be trying to print what's inside here at this moment. So let's print it out. would say current neighbors. That would be 2 of them. And we would say the potential neighbors. Okay, fair enough. For L in potential neighbors. So yeah, this stream was very nice. Did not expect the big ass raid. Very lovely. I've been getting super lucky lately with the raids. Actually, my channel growed a lot because I think thanks to the advent, but there's a lot of people that raid on this hour, so it's really lucky because I'm very early morning as a person. So I guess all the stars aligned quite nicely. Do I have this play? Yes, I do. Neat. Okay, of course, Ether. Also, again, I don't think I finished the discussion beforehand, but I started more like I program and then stream. And little by little, it's getting very nice to stream. I was actually thinking about better my mic. I don't know if my mic is a problem, but for the next year, if I get affiliate, I want to take the little bit of money that will come from that and put it in a fund to get a mic and a audio. What is it called? Like the audio interface, not well, the device to. God damn it. That's not it. Yes, the I guess it's called mixer, so audio mixer. Because my understanding, okay, this one. My understanding is it would sound better, or it won't be that big of a difference. Because I seem to understand that when you get a good mic, you need also mixer, unless you get a better mic in USB. But I don't know if that's worth it. Can you remember back in the day, Blue Yeti was the gold standard, and I believe that this is a USB mic. So is it worth it to go for something like USB, which is great? Or is it better to go something like, I know that Shure 58, it's called. People go a lot for the Shure as a brand. Or anything. There's also the dynamic one. I don't quite know. I should talk to a couple of friends and see how. If it's my understanding is that's necessary, but I'm not quite sure about that. I don't know if it'll be a big deal because this sounds good enough for now. I wouldn't want to spend like $80 to get something. What's your current mic? My current mic is. We shall check. It's actually very bad. Should be like. I don't even remember. It was a long time ago. Microphone. Yeah, this is my setup. The newer NV18. This is a very inexpensive one. I believe it's like $10 back in the day. I don't know if now it's more. So this the whole setup is $50. And it does its job. I used it mostly for Discord. I wanted to do YouTube, but then I used it mostly for Discord. And it does a fine job for being a $10 mic. Now it won't be sold separately, but if you buy only the mic, it would be that. You usually would buy the. I don't remember what's it called, but it's something. Oh, this one. So there's the Phantom. And I don't know if like a setup like this, it is 100% worth it. And I have this stand. Man, this stand is shit. This stand got broke so close. So fast. This would be my set. Well, this isn't the setup, but this is the mic. And I don't know, does it sound that bad? At least I try to watch my videos and it sounds okay-ish. Well, I don't print anything. What? That's weird. I'm running the 2-1. Hold up a second. Because I'm not going down ever. That's correct. Like Twitch feels to me like it's a radio kind of a show. So I would believe it doesn't sound that bad, but maybe you should work on lights though. Lights, yes. That probably doesn't look amazingly well. It's better than before because I used to have, if you see like over here, those are white lights. There are 4 of them, and they would come either from behind me or from the left of me. So maybe some lights would work nicely. What would be like webcam lights? That would be something. Oh well, they're not that expensive. Because I know it feels nice for the eyes, but probably not so much like a warmer one on your face. Okay, so you just paste it on the monitor. Sounds great. Yeah, little by little, I would ask little by little people what they prefer better. Because Twitch mic sounds the best one, but if it's sufficient, probably the cam can get some work. I also wished for some green screen because my cam takes a lot of space for nothing, and my room is not that beautiful. There's basically only my bachelor degree and my diploma, which is by the way upside on the left because I didn't have something to get behind to make it straight. I should go to the shop and see it. Be careful, good lighting has to be bigger than what just shown. Oh, you see, every investment is quite big. Just camera lights. I know that there's some bigger one, like stuff like this. Oh, so there's also how big would be this one? Oh, this looks nice. Lovely photos. Can't see shit. Let's see the Amazon. Oh yeah, this doesn't look that bad. Because also my desk is huge. It's basically more than how much I can open my arms, and very fun. So I have a lot of space to use. Yeah, 2025. I should little by little improve the craft because I'm enjoying it way more than expected. Now, do I hit anything over here? Let's say on the first hit, okay. 3-7, 3-6, 4-6. 3-7, 4-6, 3-6. Is it 3-6 over here? Yes. Okay, so that's about the ones that I explore. My desk is 1.6 and it's crammed with stuff. Yeah, man, the one in 1x2 is amazing. I don't know if there's way too much shit on my desk to see, to watch it, but it's very big. Like having one of Fonity, I can't live without that. I don't like the monitor being so close. Also because there's the let's see if I can. I have my drawing tablet over here, so I need the big ass space to get till the bottom up. That's why the bigger the desk, the better. Don't quite care for now that it goes up, but when I get when I move in with my girlfriend, I wish to buy something as big. I'm gonna use her one. She has a nice desk, but short ones are terrible. Like even 80 is just good enough. 1 and 120 is amazing, and I try order, but it never lasts. It just doesn't bother me. I don't know about you, but if I have clutter everywhere, it only bothers me when I can't absolutely walk around. I have to consciously focus and say, man, your room and your desks is shit. Please clean this shit up. Otherwise, I won't be that bothered because a little bit I just have like that Monday or that day when I wish to put everything back together. Otherwise, I just feel fine with it. The fuck is this? 27 to 66. Like the one that I'm watching is 0, 1, 2. Actually, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Never touch the 8. Get up to 3, 7, never touch 8. Because when I explore it, I actually point it out. So that's the big deal. I think I should move out this logic. I think I should be moving out this logic out of here. So it's fine to explore everything that's over myself, but everything that's on the sideways should be put over here. Because I can queue the one that I have now. I can fishbox and I should be checking the sides. Or the other way could also be that I'm exploring up and so over myself and over the side and the side of over myself. So that would be like, since I'm in this, let's say I'm in this situation. Actually, the situation that I get over here is similar to this. Then I can explore this the same way. And when I get here, I should also get over here. So if I have this one, that will be move 0, 1 and 0 plus 1. So it will be another if of the same sort. Yeah, because I don't know the one that gets beforehand. Dude, I hate this problem. I positively hate it. The fuck does Discord want from me? Like, I can try. Doesn't cost me too much. But it doesn't feel that great. Yeah, it will be check the one upwards. If the one upwards is different, yeah, because the problem would be like let tmp equals node plus chord 0, 1. Okay. And this code is absolutely shit. So if it works this way, then we would have to do the same thing, but with TMP. Else is this, but -1. Still doesn't get explored. Son of a bitch. God damn it. I think the error is them pushing only one. Let's move this bitch. So in this case, I pushed. I found about 3-7, 3-6, and 4-6. But like the 3-7, you can push 2 boxes at once, right? Push 2 boxes at once. Yeah, that's the thing that I think I'm missing. I want to somehow to like my objective would be to push this entire box and then push the entire box up. Like that's the most sane approach you could do. But I'm missing something. And because pushing so much, then it won't work very much on BFS. But rather than it won't work, it gets out the hand of the BFS. So like this, I think what's happening is at some point I can't explore this node because it has been severed. So probably I should work box by box. So when I find a box, I push the box over here. Let's say that I take this out. Something like this. Here, when I queue.push start. And I fish box here. How about that I push both of them? So that would be if map if this. How about to get this as a start? If this is equal to. How did I get there? I pressed 2 times A. That's not a Vim command. It's so funny that after 2 years, Vim still gave me skill issue daily. So let's say that I have the left box, no? It'd be either left or right. Based on that, I can queue.push start plus. So I'm moving right. God damn it. And that would be 0, 1. Yeah. Otherwise, it's -1. In both cases, I should sign this up. To be honest with you, man, I know that I had a reason. I distinctly remember that I had a reason to why my chords aren't U size, but I couldn't tell you now. Okay, and by the way, there's also this man over here to be pushed. Like this way, I push 1 box at a time. I don't quite know. My hope is that this will help somehow. I'm also toasted today, so that's not helpful. Yesterday we did Secret Santa. I got I got a beer. How do you say that? A beer. This is not that what I was meaning. Like beer mug. How's that called? How is this called? Oh, it's also mug. Use size is like U64. So unless your region is the center of the puzzle, you shouldn't bother about it. I honestly couldn't tell you why I did. Also because there's a like there's some stuff over here, so I don't quite know. My guess is that at some point I explore outside of it. Yeah, I think it was something like at some point I can finish outside of it, so I finished to do like 0, -1. I had some underflow. I don't remember how. I think when you get close to the border, in trying to explore the next possible move, I underflowed sometimes. So that's what I said. Well, I need to use it only twice, so it's not a big deal. Well, it is a big deal. It is a very big deal. Well, that's not good. Yep, this one doesn't work. God damn it. Crazy thing is that I'm very close. Fact is, the fact that I don't understand, and it gets me crazy. Like when I go to explore, maybe one different perspective could be I could see what I'm about to explore. What would be a nice perspective? So I pretty print the map. But how about I print also the neighbor? Okay. So this at least tell me if I ever touch the one that I think I'm about to explore, that should give me indication if at least if there's a problem with the sideways. So I'm explorer 37, which is about right, would be this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like here. I'm exploring the 36. Yeah? So I find out about this guy. But I don't find anything on the right. And the right is a +1, so it's going to be a 3-8. When I get to the 3-7, what's going on over there? I push the name. Like it isn't already a. Will be. No, wait. So get down neighbors, get up neighbors. Like what happens? Should also put this guy. See when this prints. So the 3-7. By the way, this is skewed. Isn't it skewed? Because this is not 3, this is 4. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, I guess no, the 4 is the first one that I start. Okay. So this is the one I spawned, 3-7. Now on this 3-7 side, the +1 should be happening. This one. 0 +1. Don't I? Somehow. Hit here. Like the only sensible thing is that I don't hit it over there. Okay, so turns out I don't. Is it because I'm considering only the... Yeah, I get only the else. Interesting, but once I finish exploring, oh, so that's not over there anymore. Yeah, I should just push the box straight up. That should finish over there. Yeah, because I never look at the right one. Well, let's try again for the bespoke one, like would be in this case if the one above you, so this guy, like if this if over here, but this algorithm is very fragile. I don't like it because I think I'm gonna have a lot of trouble later on. Okay, so if it's left, we go -1 +1. -1 +1. Or is there any reason that I shouldn't push straight up like that? Yeah, there could be any reasons. Maybe I get it over here, right? Because now I know that I always got the one over me. So when I go into the loop, I'm quite confident that I can push the one that's now and the one on its right. Unless it's already there. Yeah, I should be moving that over here. Because what I know sounds like a better place to be. So let's say that we push this comrade over here. So we push the one above me. Now that I push the one above me, based on that, I should push always his one. So if I say that, by the way, this doesn't need to be a loop anymore. Oh yeah, I do need this. Okay. But I don't need this at all. And I do the same exact thing, but with TMP over here. So the TMP, if TMP is that, then we add it. Then we add this and hits right. Nate plus chord of 0, 1. Okay. Else, it's the same thing, but with -1. Sounds Gucci. Everything got destroyed. Okay, so this moved nicely. Now, at this point, 37, 36. Okay. Nice. There you go. No. Didn't eat up once. Well, also overflow. Let's put 0, 0, 1 over here. Are you supposed to destroy any box? No. Actually, sometimes happens because I'm using the dots as an explored one. So this would be, that could be the problem of what's happening here. Sometimes I destroy everything. Wait, it actually worked. It did move everything up. There you go. Then they do the next exploration, which works great. The fuck is going on here? Wild as shit. Yeah, my algorithm got very greedy. Well, I think that progress is progress. Unlikely, guys, today. I think I kind of have to go to the job. Should check out how's the problems at my work. And see if I can keep streaming or not. God damn it, my connection. Come on, man. Dude, it exploded. Why? Like, everything is gone. I don't... Because the first expression went crazy well. Do you give your moves or do you need to figure them out? No, I have the moves. I know the moves. I need to enforce that every time. So every time you hit a box, you move the box. If there's more box, you move both of them. Every time you hit a wall or the boxes hit a wall, you stop. So in this case, we move up and we move the 3 boxes up. Then we move up, but there's the box, so I stop the box. And the nuance part is that, see, if you hit the box over the side, this has nothing over here, it will move. I see some people that said that you can do it in a hash. Didn't quite understand it. Probably it's easier because you could treat the hash. Yes, I don't quite know. See, some people said that basically this is a hash, but I have fun doing it in the wrong way. So it looks like my algorithm just gets nuts and basically touches everything. Could it be the else? Could it be if TMP equals that? Because my guess it's going nuts is since I put an else, I'm assuming way too much. Alright! So this is good progress. Yeah, it happened the same thing with the input. I had some spaces since I tried to condense the line and that went worse. So guys, let me check us. God damn it. I have to check a little bit on my servers, so that will take a couple of minutes. Then I'm back. I'll do a quick break. I'm still here, but the progress is solid. Meanwhile, it gets turned up. Now it's kind of laughable that it won't understand that it's a box. Well, I guess my algorithm doesn't quite care about the right part. So that should be the last optimization, right? Like the last optimization should check the first part and then the second part. And that will move correctly. Man, do I hate having to do stuff outside of job. Like, don't you hate it when your work would be like, hey, you know, you need to check the server, that's nice. From 8 o'clock, fucking servers. Good thing is, in the next job, I get some. I get to work on Linux. Man, do I hate some Windows stuff. I'm wondering, does my condition, like this one, would work if I simply put it over here? Like when I get this guy. No, wait, this would break everything. The confusing part is I feel pretty much like when I get the up neighbors, I am pushing the one above, and I am pushing the one on the right. I guess I'm not pushing the one up right, but I do it over here. So up right, up left. So it is in my logic. So over here we're trying to move up to 5 0 1 2. Go to 0 1 2 3 4 5. So I try 1 5 1 4 to 4. This will be 1 5. Yeah. And to 4. Son of a bitch. I do try to move it up. Actually, it is hit, but it's not kept some way. Nah, this is confusing. So since it's hit, I should be getting it over here and I should be pushing it. Let's print my fish box. So print for fish in fish box, println fish. Doesn't implement display. Bodback doesn't. Yes, either. See, it will move only 5. It's bizarre. Oh man. Yeah, gonna excuse me for a bit. I'm having some problems over here. Actually, tell you what, I'm having a huge bit of problems. I need to check my passwords. So unlikely today, we stop here. We will keep up tomorrow. There's a lot of people, so I would really love to see someone and to hit on some dude. Let's see if there's any comment. See ya, Lipiu. Thank you for the company. You've been amazing. This dude is doing Pokemon? What? This guy stress test his stuff. Oh no, let's rate someone from my category over here and then we will go on. Filter by category, software. For me, sounds about right. Actually low to high. I like to rate the 3-4 viewers, guys. They're usually kind of cool. Game Dev Cafe India. Should be checking that it's English. There you... God damn it. So guys, thank you for the company. You've been amazing. Lovely chat. Hope to see you soon. Hope to raid you back someday. And I would see you tomorrow. Actually not. A day after that. Bye everybody.